Good morning, children, and welcome back to the EVS 2 class. So, children, how are you all? I hope you are all well and keeping safe, and also you are attending the classes, okay, your regular classes, and also listening to the videos which your teachers are sending. So, shall we start the class? Okay, children, you remember what we did in our last class? Yes, we have started our new lesson, that is plateaus and highlands of India. Okay, we started our new lesson, that is plateaus and highlands of India. So before proceeding to our next topic, shall we, children, shall we do a recap? Okay, so this is the lesson that we are doing, plateaus and highlands of India. And so in our last class, what did we study? We studied about the extension of the Peninsular Plateau. From where till where it extends? The Peninsular Plateau extends from the south of the northern plain. Okay, it extends from the south of the northern plain to the tip. Okay, to the tip of India. Okay, and it is, what is its shape? Its shape is triangular in shape. Okay, the shape of the Peninsular Plateau is triangular in shape. And what are the major cities? Some major cities of the region are Hyderabad, Ranchi, Nagpur, Bengaluru and Bhilai. All these are in the Peninsular Plateau. Okay, these major cities. And this peninsula lies to the south of the northern plain. Okay, children, so let's move to our next topic, and it's about Peninsular Plateau only, and how Peninsular Plateau is a region of hills and rivers. Now, children, Peninsular Plateau has many hills. Okay, and you can see here the Peninsular Plateau has Aravalli Hills in the northwest, Eastern Ghats in the east, Rajmahal Hills in the northeast, and Western Ghats in the west. So these hills are there in the Peninsular Plateau, and it's a region of not only hills but rivers are also there. So let's see. Okay, here it's given, children. I hope you all have taken out your textbook. The river Narmada flows through the Peninsular Plateau and divides the region into the following two parts. The river Narmada, children, it flows through the Peninsular Plateau. We all know the river Narmada divides the Peninsular Plateau into two parts, which is the northern part is the Central Highland and the southern part is the Deccan Plateau. Okay, so here the river Narmada, which flows through the Peninsular Plateau, divides into Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau. And what is a highland, children? A highland is a mountainous plateau. So Central Highland is a plateau, okay, but it has mountains. Okay, it's a mountainous plateau. The plateau has mountains, unlike Deccan Plateau. So a highland is a mountainous plateau. Highlands include low mountains. Not very high mountains are there, but low mountains are there all over. But it is a plateau also. Okay, the ground is a bit raised. Okay, that's why it's a plateau. So what are the various rivers of the Central Highlands and of the Deccan Plateau? The various rivers of the Central Highlands are Chambal, Betwa and Son, and of the Deccan Plateau it is Narmada, Godavari and Kaveri. So the rivers of the Central Highlands are Chambal, Betwa and Son, and the rivers of the Deccan Plateau are Narmada, Godavari and Kaveri. Okay. Okay, so now let's move to the next topic, which is Central Highlands. Okay, what are Central Highlands and what is its location? We'll study about them. So here it's given, the Central Highlands lies to the north of the Narmada River. The Central Highlands, they lies to the north of the Narmada River, and it is bordered by the Ganga Plain to the north. To its west to the north is the Ganga Plain, that is the northern plain. Then to its west are the East Rajasthan uplands. Its eastern boundaries are marked by the historic region of Bundelkhand. To its south is the Vindhya range. Okay, it also includes the Malwa Plateau. The Malwa Plateau is also there. The Malwa Plateau forms the southern part of the Central Highlands. So towards the south of the Central Highlands is the Malwa Plateaus. The Central Highlands are wider in the west but they're narrower in the east. Okay, it's broad in the west but narrower in the east, about the Central Highlands. Okay, and Central Highlands are part of the Peninsular Plateau. Many rivers such as Mahi, Chambal, Betwa, Dhasan, Ken, Shipra, Parvati, Gambhir and Son flow through the Central Line. Apart from above, okay, above we got three main rivers which flows through Central Lines, that is Chambal, Betwa and Son. Apart from these rivers, Mahi, Chambal, Betwa, Dhasan, Ken and Shipra, Parvati and Gambhir and Son flows through the Central Highlands. Okay, let's see. Okay, so children, here we get the three rivers, okay, of the Central Highlands, that is the Chambal, Betwa and Son. And apart from these rivers, which rivers are there? These rivers are there in the Central Highlands. Mahi, Chambal, Betwa and all these rivers are there. So now children, what are the new words you got here? It is, children, uplands and history. Okay, these are the new words that we got in the this one in today's lesson. Okay, and children, this is the homework. I'll be uploading in the Google Classroom also. You'll write the meaning and also you will learn the spellings of these new words. Okay, in our next live class I'll ask about it. So let's move to our question. And what is the question? Question number 1 is, the river Chambal flows through the Peninsular Plateau and divides the region into the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. Is the statement correct? Write the correct statement. So is this statement correct? The river Chambal flows through the Peninsular Plateau and it divides the region into the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. So is the statement correct? Do you think the statement is correct? No, the statement is not correct. Yes, very good. The river Chambal flows through the Central Highland. Okay, but which river divides the Peninsular Plateau into the two regions? It is the river Narmada. So instead of river Chambal, it should be Narmada. Okay, it should be Narmada. And next we'll have to match, okay, the rivers with the rivers will have to match. Okay, so which are the rivers? In Central Highlands, which river is there? It is river Chambal is there. Yes, in Central Highlands Chambal is there. Then children, Betwa is also there. Then Son is there. And where is the river Narmada? It is in Deccan Plateau. Okay, the river Narmada is in Deccan Plateau. Let's see whether it's correct or not. Yes, see, river Narmada is in Deccan Plateau and the rivers of the Central Highlands are Chambal, Betwa and Son. Okay, so you have seen these questions. Question number 2 is, match the following as I already showed you. So Central Highlands, the river of Central Highlands are Chambal, Betwa and Son. And in Deccan Plateau, which river is there? The river Narmada is there. Okay, so children, we shall stop till here. You give a reading till where I have explained. Okay, in the next class I'll again take a recap of this lesson. And children, you will also, what you will do, you will study, okay, the new words which I gave. You will study the meaning also and also the spellings. Okay children, then have a good day and bye bye.